What's up? This is the Lincoln. I haven't started her in about a week, and you'll be able to tell that by how I start it, if you know what you're looking for on these cars. Just wanted you to see how easily it starts, so you know when I tell you this thing starts right up every time, and I'm not playing around. Well-maintained car right here. All right, let me put you here. Alright, you can tell if you know anything about these cars, there's a certain pump action that you need to do depending on how cold the engine is. This one, it's been about 6 days since it started, or since I attempted to start it. 4 pumps, turn the key. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starts right up. That's it. Nice and smooth. Look at the back tailpipe. Good amount of air coming, no smoke.